Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 4.2 question number 2. Give the first step you use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. So here the basic, before going to the problem, just to know this one. So whenever we have a multiplication, when we are taking to the other side, when we are crossing that equal to symbol, that multiplication will become division. Multiplication term will go for division. Same way, whenever we are having division, when it crosses the equal to sign, it will become a multiplication. That is a basic rule. Now here look at the first problem. There is no symbol between 3 and L. That means there is a multiplication sign. So we can say that 3 into L, which is equal to 42. This is our given question actually. So in this question, our variable is this one, L. The alphabets only the variable. So here I want to get only the L value. So here we have a multiplication 3. The multiplication 3, we are going to take it into other side. That will become a division now. So L is equal to 42 by 3. We can cancel these two. If you know the tables, you can cut it directly. Otherwise, if you have a doubt, you can divide in this way. Numerator always going inside. Denominator, you should put it outside. 1 3s are 3. Balance 1. Next number 2, 12. So 3 4s are, you will be getting 12. 0. So how many times? 14 times. So 14s are. 1 3s are, 14 3s are also we can cancel. So L is equal to 14 is your correct answer. Now this is a problem. Here we are going to the B. Now look at the B question. So here we have B by 2 is equal to 6. We have B divided by 2 which is equal to 6. In this problem our variable is B. So we want to get the B value only. So B is equal to, this is a division 2. This division 2, if you take it into other side, definitely it will become multiplication. That is our rule. Division, when it crosses the equal to sign, it will become multiplication. So 6 multiplied by 2 it will be. So B is equal to 6 2s are 12. That is your correct answer. Same with the C problem also. We have P by 7 which is equal to 4 is given to us. Here we have a denominator 7, that is a division 7. If you take it into other side, it will become a multiplication. So P is equal to, here we have a 4. The 7 is coming to that side as a multiplication. So 4 7s are, it is 28. So P value is 28. That is your correct value. Now we'll do one more method. So here this is also multiplication. If you take it into other side, it will become division. Look at this problem. F. We have Z by 3 which is equal to 5 by 4 we are having. Whenever we are having the fractional number, so here actually this is 1 by 3. This is a fractional number 1 by 3. Whenever we are taking the fractional number to other side, it will become reciprocal. Or we can say that the division 3, if you are going to that side, it will become multiplication also correct only. So Z is equal to, here we have a division 3 taken into other side, multiplication, or it is 1 by 3. If we take it into other side, it will become 3 by 1. Anyway, it is correct only. 5 3s are 15. 15 by 4 is our correct answer. That's all students. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.